Umdi Bashnyam Bat Pinjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangbak Jilla Konrad ki sangma laitho baka sorkar Jilla Kamshim la Shongklikti ban pensau shakibor bade pe jongka Ministry of Education halor ki jing'e bat ki Kynrum ki balaja hapo ka skol ba Nehu ka balabu jing'e pat ye ki samla pulie ki noikai bat ye ki nongtre hapo ka skol ba. Ha ka jekran bat kilat pathai kubor ha ka khatsan terek ukala lingkot arajar pun rio. Menteri Rangba laitho Hadian bakal don ka jingpen sngau na kikinhun ba pher ka skol ba Nehu. Ulaong baka sorkar Jala kala longkum ka Ksiang ban wanra sya ka jing yesu thu jingmot hapadang ki arliang mamla. Namarba ki ban ya kandu jing e hi kide ki brio la jong. Ki ba puli bat ki batre hapo ka skol ba ka bahab hapo ka jingkmi jong ka sorkar padang.
Yeah, it's very unfortunate what's happening in Nehu. It's really affecting the students and the people working there. Seems to be a very kind of a deadlock situation as of now. I have been obviously talking at different levels to the ministry and to the minister himself and others, and even to Nehu. But as you're all aware that Nehu is a body that's directly under the central government, so it's very kind of a touchy issue for us to directly get involved, and we can only play a role of mediation between the two, which is what we've been doing. But even while we mediate, when we give certain recommendations and suggestions, and we say, well, what if we do this? Then we need the support from all sides to then move forward with that recommendation, suggestions. And sometimes, obviously, because of ground situation, those are not possible. And again, complications come up. So this is what we've been seeing in Nehu. So it becomes very complicated and difficult for us, being a central government institute, to directly get involved in this. So we are doing our best. Even as we speak today, I think the education minister is in talks with some of the officials from Nehu, trying to find a solution to this deadlock that we're having. So we are doing our best. We will do our best. We will try our best. We will be in touch without interfering with the functioning and the autonomy of Nehu, and without really affecting anybody. We are doing our best in the best possible way to see if there's a mediation that can be achieved, and the students, and especially the workers who are working there, the casual workers, hopefully will be able to do something to release their salaries. So it's something that is beyond the jurisdiction of the state government, and our role is as a mediator, but we are not taking it lightly. We are doing our best to see, because at the end of the day, it is our people who are suffering, and we would like to see that we can be part of the solution.